Understanding large language models. What are LLMs? Large language models are AI systems trained to understand and generate human-like text. Think of them as incredibly sophisticated pattern recognition systems that have read massive amounts of text from the internet, books, and other sources. The large in LLMs refers to two things: billions of parameters, adjustable values the model learns during training, and enormous training datasets, often hundreds of billions of words. How do they work? Simplified. 1. Training phase. The model learns by reading vast amounts of text and learning patterns, how words relate to each other, grammar and sentence structure, facts, concepts, and reasoning patterns, writing styles across different contexts. 2. The core mechanism, prediction. At their heart, LLMs predict what word or token comes next. Input. The cat sat on the... Model predicts mat, high probability; floor, medium probability; elephant, very low probability. By doing this prediction millions of times in sequence, LLMs can generate coherent paragraphs, answer questions, and hold conversations. 3. Key concepts. Concept. Simple explanation. Tokens. Text broken into small pieces, words or word parts. Context window. How much text the model can see at once. Parameters. The learned knowledge stored as numbers. Transformer architecture. The underlying design that allows models to understand relationships between words, even far apart. Prompt. The input you give to the model. Common use cases. Writing and content. Drafting emails, articles, and reports. Brainstorming and outlining ideas. Coding assistance. Writing and debugging code. Explaining programming concepts. Learning and research. Explaining complex topics simply. Summarizing long documents. Conversation and support. Chatbots and virtual assistants. Customer service automation. Translation and transformation. Language translation, converting text between formats or styles. Important limitations. Hallucinations. LLMs can confidently state things that are completely false. They generate plausible-sounding text, not verified facts. Knowledge cutoff. Models only know what existed in their training data up to a certain date. They don't have access to real-time information unless connected to external tools. No true understanding. LLMs recognize patterns, but don't understand concepts the way humans do. They lack genuine reasoning, consciousness, or intent. Context limits. They can only process a limited amount of text at once. Very long documents may exceed their capacity. Bias. Training data contains human biases, which can appear in model outputs. And no memory between sessions. Each conversation typically starts fresh. They don't remember past interactions, unless specifically designed to. The bottom line: LLMs are powerful tools for working with language, but they're assistants, not authorities. They're best used when you can verify their outputs, provide clear instructions, and understand their limitations. Think of an LLM as a very well-read collaborator who's great at drafting and explaining